Hey folks, let's start our new section on cloud computing where we'll discover how Python connects with cloud platforms to store, manage, and process data online for scalable and flexible computing.
Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on that like button if you like my video. Also click on that notification bell. Thank you.
Let's start with a very basic lecture called Introduction to Cloud Computing, where we will learn what cloud computing is, how it works, and why it is used to store, manage, and access data using the internet. When we say cloud, we are not talking about the white clouds in the sky. In computer terms, the cloud means the internet. Cloud computing means you save your files, apps, and data on the internet instead of keeping everything only on your own computer. A good way to understand this is to think about a bank. You do not keep all your money at home. You keep it safe in a bank and use your ATM card or mobile app to access it when needed. In the same way, cloud computing keeps your data safe on powerful computers online, and you can open it from anywhere using your phone, tablet, or computer. It also helps you avoid installing heavy software. Many tools today run directly in the cloud. This means you just open your web browser and start working, which saves space on your device and makes everything easier. A very good example is Google Drive. It allows you to save photos, videos, and documents on the internet. If you upload a photo from your phone, you can later open it on your laptop just by signing in. You don't need to carry a USB drive or send files to yourself. Google Drive also gives access to tools like Google Docs and Sheets that run in the browser without needing any software download. This is the main purpose of cloud computing. Your data stays safe. You can access it from anywhere, and you don't have to worry about losing it if your device breaks. Cloud computing uses internet connected machines to store and process data. When you upload a file or open an app, your device sends a request to these machines. They do the work and send the result back to you. Even if they are far away, it feels fast. If more storage or speed is needed, cloud systems can grow easily without buying new devices. Cloud computing works by using remote machines or servers that handle data and tasks over the internet. When you upload a file, open a website, or use an online app, your device sends a request through the internet to these cloud machines. They receive your request, process it, and quickly send back the result to your screen. These machines may be located far away, but the response feels instant. When more power or space is needed, cloud services can easily grow without needing to buy or install new hardware. Everything is controlled through software, and this is where Python plays a strong role. Many cloud tasks are managed through Python scripts that send commands to these cloud machines. For example, when a file is uploaded from your device to cloud storage, a Python program may be the one sending the instruction. Python can be used to start cloud machines, store user data, or move files from one cloud folder to another, all by sending simple commands through the internet. If a business needs to back up their data every night, Python can handle that automatically without anyone touching the system. It sends the files to cloud storage, organizes them by date, and checks that everything is complete. Even websites and apps that run in the cloud often use Python to manage their data. When a user signs up on a website or fills out a form, Python takes that data and saves it in a cloud database. Later, it helps fetch and display that data again. Python works in the background, making sure data flows smoothly between the user and the cloud. In machine learning projects, Python is used to train models using cloud power. A developer uploads the training data to the cloud, and then Python tells the cloud to start the training process. Once finished, Python also saves the result in cloud storage. This way, large tasks are done quickly without using a personal computer's memory or storage. So every time the cloud is storing, processing, or sending data, Python often plays a behind the scenes role, giving instructions, managing files, and keeping everything running smoothly through simple code. So this is a simple explanation of how cloud computing works and how Python helps it run tasks smoothly through the internet. See you in the next lecture.